I looked into the ROSOPL Functional Dentures, and honestly, they raise quite a few red flags. The marketing claims are bold. They promise a comfortable, natural-looking set of functional dentures without dental visits, molds, or fittings. But that alone should make you skeptical. Real dentures require professional measurements and adjustments, and no universal, one-size-fits-all product can replace that. The photos on the website look overly polished, almost like stock images, and the before and after pictures don't look medically accurate. When I checked for customer feedback, there were barely any legitimate reviews. No Trustpilot ratings, no dentist-backed testimonials, and no verified video reviews showing real results. Most comments online mention that the product doesn't fit well, falls out easily, or looks nothing like the advertised photos. Another concern is safety. Anything placed inside the mouth for extended periods needs clear medical-grade certification. ROSOPL doesn't list any testing documents, material certifications, or approvals. That lack of transparency is a major warning sign. Overall, nothing about the product suggests it performs anywhere close to what they promise. If you need dentures or cosmetic dental work, a professional dentist is the only safe solution. ROSOPL's product looks more like a novelty item than a real dental replacement.